Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of the Target app. Perhaps maybe you're logged into the wrong account or the wrong phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, go ahead and click on the My Target icon on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Next, click on My Profile. And then on the top right hand corner, you're going to see a Sign Out button. So click on Sign Out. Afterwards, it'll confirm that you want to go ahead and sign out of the Target app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.